Stuck with the Accounts module DLL failure compromising your core library map? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's analyze this architectural break and restore your stability. Before we start the Accounts module configuration, consider using the Diagnostic resource below to maintain a clean system state. This is the Accounts module, a native Windows library responsible for managing the localized UI for user account settings and Windows Hello biometric registration. It coordinates the data link between the OS and Microsoft Accounts synchronization manifests. If missing, the Your Info section of the Windows Settings app will crash or remain blank, preventing users from changing profile pictures or password settings. Now that you're up to speed on the file's role, let's begin the repair process. This is an OS-level file error that requires a system integrity scan. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scan now to allow Windows to verify its core files and automatically restore Accounts module DLL. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Accounts module component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Restarting doesn't always catch everything. If you're still having trouble, let's try this next step together. And if you need to pause the video, I'm not going anywhere. Restarting didn't fix the underlying corruption, so now we'll run a command to repair the Windows component store. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism/online/cleanup-image/restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces a fresh download of official system components to resolve deep-seated corruption that standard local repairs cannot fix. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. Always prioritize system safety by avoiding manual swaps of Accounts module DLL. Downloading individual DLLs from third-party sites is a common way for hackers to inject spyware and ransomware directly into your operating system. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official Diagnostic resource at the link below. For users seeking improved system clarity, the Diagnostic tool in the description references the Accounts module environment. If this Diagnostic guide saved you time launching Accounts module today, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more expert-level troubleshooting.